ain't no shine. We be staying up all night, trying to work it.
It's been a long night. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am creating this Gigi Hadid inspired makeup look. Let me show you guys what I am talking about. So I actually was looking through Pinterest on some glitter liner or glitter looks to create, and I stumbled upon this picture from Miss Gigi Hadid and I fell in love with it. So I created something very similar in that same vibe as the picture. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you would like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright, so for the beginning we're gonna go in with the Benefit Cabral. Alright, so now just to finish off the eyes, we are gonna go into Palooza, and just with my finger we're gonna dab it on. So to create the crease and the lid shade, I used the shades Buzzkill and Dandy. I placed Buzzkill in the crease and Dandy all over the lid. And then we're gonna kind of like spread it. And then we are gonna go with the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. So those are the eyes. For the face, I am going to continue to play with the Dose of Colors foundation. I am going to first put some of this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter on the high points of my face to kind of brighten. So I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors foundation now. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier concealer and just apply that a little bit under my eyes. And now I'm just going to set it just under my eyes, creasing purposes, with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter setting powder. I am going to go in with Infidelity by Makeup Geek, which is the contour shade, and just run that along the lower lash line. I'm going to grab this Makeup Geek brush. This is the pointed crease brush, which is this one. I'm going to go back into the Honey palette. Just grab the same pointed crease brush, go into Dandy. And now to finish off the eyes, I am just going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Earthquake liner and with the Velvet Noir mascara. Now for the complexion, I am going to go in with Infidelity by Makeup Geek again. I am going to take the Morphe E4 and, if I can find my mirror, contour. So now, just for a little bit of more warmth, I am going to go into Makeup Geek Bare All Medium Face Palette. I'm going to go in with this one, which is Tawny. So for blush, I'm going to go with something a little bit more subtle. Ambient Lighting Unlocked palette, and I'm going to go in more with this shade. By the way, this brush is the e.l.f. pointed powder brush, in case you're wondering. So I am going to go ahead and spray my face with a little bit of the Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist, the Watermelon Glow by Glow Recipe. Now I am going to apply some highlighter. I am going to go into the Melt Cosmetics Stargazer. Last but not least, we are going to go in with the lips. I'm going to go in with Curvy by Colourpop. So now I am gonna go ahead and top that with Latte by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So that's it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.